Hello guys, do you know that you can buy 1 gig of data for just 200 naira? Yeah, stop playing. This has been going on for a long time for those who are using Airtel, and this is what I have been using, and it's as simple as just buying recharge card and subscribing. A lot of people doesn't know about it, but it's an offer that is available for all Airtel users, and you can actually hop in. If this is your first time of visiting my YouTube channel, my name is Basi Ejekbajon. I'm a medical student in the University of Calabar, and in my channel I talk about education and entertainment in Nigeria and all over the world. That means if you love any of this content, kindly click on the red subscribe button so that you can continue getting updates anytime I upload a video like this, and so that you can also help me grow. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can buy cheap data plan from Airtel by just using the normal code that has been unified by the telecommunication agencies in Nigeria, that is *312#. I'm going to show you how I use 200 naira to get 1 gig, because normally if you want to get a gig of data, it will cost you around 300 naira, 350 and others, but I'm going to show you how you can just get it for 200 naira. And guess what? This data lasts for 7 complete days, that is for 1 week. By just using 200 naira, you're going to get a gig of data that is going to last you for 1 week. Watch this video to the end, because I'm going to use a screen recording. I really love you. So first of all, after you have subscribed to this channel, what you have to do is you have to go to your phone, where you make your call, and your phone dialer list, and you dial this number *312#, and you send. This is for Airtel users, just like I've said, and you allow it to load *312#. So you click on number 1, which is my offer. So you can see there are a lot of them. So you see my area data plans, 5,000 naira for 18 gig for 30 days. But you click on number 1, which is my offer, and you send. So you see my Airtel offer. You see that for 100 naira you can have 500 gig for 7 days. For 200 naira you can have 1 gig, which will last you for 7 days. And what you just have to do is you click on number 2. If you actually want to buy, click on number 2 and you send. So you ask you to be activate or cancel or go back or main menu. So if you want to buy a 1 gig data for 200 naira, what you just have to do is to click on the activate, and you will be given 1 gig for 200 naira, which will last you for 7 days. If you are watching this video to this particular extent, don't forget to share this video, and you particularly don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And until I see you in my next video, I really love you. Thank you.